Okay, the people who are meant to like this will love it, and the people who don't should keep scrolling. This is my vanilla bean silken tofu brulée. It's a fun little way of sneaking in some protein, and it's super easy. You're gonna make a simple syrup out of water, sugar, and some vanilla bean. I like to splurge with this one and use a real vanilla bean, but you could also use paste or extract if you want to. I will say it's more affordable to buy these online than it is to buy them in your grocery store usually. Alright, then you're going to need extra firm silken tofu. This variety is usually shelf stable and comes in a box as opposed to the ones that come in the refrigerator section. To really help that sweet vanilla flavor really penetrate into the tofu, poke some holes into it and then set it in the fridge for anywhere from 3 to 5 days. The longer it sits, the more it's going to absorb all of that flavor, which we want because tofu can have a bit of a flavor on its own. And then comes the fun part: dry it off, sprinkle it with sugar, and then use a kitchen torch to brulee the top. I like to do a few layers of sugar to make a nice thick crunchy coating. Such a fun vegan dessert, and I'm not gonna lie, this is not one that you should serve to the picky eaters who have never tried tofu before. This is for people who like tofu and want a new way of enjoying it. I know it's a little out there, but it is so good. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!